Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Jotform to Wix. So let's go to the Jotform first. If you don't have any Jotform account, you have to create a new account to Jotform and you have to select a form or create a form like this. After create a form, click on publish, this one, and then scroll down, you'll find here platforms. Click on platforms, scroll down, then you'll find here Wix. Click on Wix and you can see here a code. You have to copy this. Click on copy. Now go back to your Wix editor site. Then you have to click on add a section. Click on blank section. Here is your blank section. I'm gonna add the Jotform here. So what I'm gonna do is click on this plus icon, add elements, and you'll find here embed code. Click on embed code. Click on embed HTML. Then you have to choose the code one. If you find this one, you have to choose this one first. Now you have to click on copy that, you have to paste that code what you have copied from here. Just paste it and click on update. So now here you can see the Jotform has been updated and it has been embedded. Okay. So this is how you can add a Jotform to Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.